So anytime when we are going to sell something on eBay, eBay is going to charge the fee for that one. There will be two types of fee normally. Number one is going to be your listing fee, and the second one is going to be your final value fee plus the 30p transaction fee right here. Keep in mind this 30p listing fee, you're gonna have to put the VAT as well. So that's gonna go to around 36p. A lot of people ask me, I'm not VAT registered, so why do I have to pay the VAT? Again, I explained in the taxes lecture that eBay is a business who is making over £90,000. So once you're using their platform, you're using it as a consumer. That's the reason even you don't have a VAT registration, they're gonna charge you VAT on the fee which they're gonna charge you, and they are business who are VAT registered. You don't need a VAT number to pay a VAT, just like you buy something from Asda, Zara, Tesco, and you don't take your VAT number there, but they do charge you VAT because they are VAT registered business. eBay is a business, you sell on eBay, they take a commission out of it, and on that commission they're going to charge you VAT on that one. So first one is going to be listing fee. Once we're going to list something on eBay going to charge us around 30p, and if you put VAT it's going to be 36p. This is if your item sell or if your item does not sell. This one is every single month. So let's say you have listed 5 items on eBay, we're gonna call it like a 36p per item every single month. So we're gonna open calculator right here, 0.36 for 5 item, you're gonna pay around £1.80 every single month. Keep in mind, sometime once you create a new account on eBay might tell you, okay, for first 1000 item that you're gonna list on eBay, we are not going to charge you any listing fee for those one. This is a promotional offer, not everybody gets it as well. So that's the reason I am telling you to be aware of this fee right here. The next one is going to be our final value fee, and then we're gonna have to put 30p again on the top of that one. The final value fee will be only charged once your item will be sold, and the money that you're gonna receive from your bank account, the final value fee and the transaction fee will be already deducted. But for this fee right here, the listing fee, that you will get an invoice at the end of the month, and eBay will tell you how much your listing fee is going to be. This is not going to be the big one, as I said, it's 36p per listing, but the final value fee can be the bigger one, but that one is always deducted before you receive the money inside your bank account. So the way to do that is just simply, I have put the link for this one inside the notes, which I ask you to download before you started watching the course lectures. So you will go down here, don't worry about these ones, don't worry about these ones, and this is what we're looking at. Final value fee always depend on the category. So let's say you sell £100 worth of antiques. This one is going to be 10.9% that eBay going to take out plus 30p per order. Baby products here, books here, again depending on the category. This can go somewhere between 12% to 15%, but just to calculate accurate, like how much your fee is going to be at the end of the day, you can always come here and look for the category. Let's say you're selling video game and consoles, the fee is going to be 9.9%, plus you're gonna have to pay 30p as a transaction fee that is going to be always applied. So this one plus 30p per order, again this one will be already deducted once you will receive the money inside your bank account. So these are two fees that you will have to keep in mind. Again, I'm going to repeat: the listing fee, this one, and then is final value fee plus 30p on this one. This one is going to charge monthly. eBay will send you the invoice for that one, and this one will be deducted before you receive the money inside your bank account. So it's very simple, and this one depends on a category. You can always check the category by coming right here.